Hello, today we will learn why things sink and float. You will need bowl with water, lime or orange, clay and marble. Take the lime and drop it in the water. See, it floats. This is because of its porous covering. If you can see from the side, the lime has grown up. This is because the curved surface of the bowl. In actual, the lime is that much size only that we have dropped. Now peel it and drop it again. Drop it. See, it sinks. This is because the porous covering of lime is removed, and in the cover of lime there is 25% of air is trapped. This is the one way to understand why things sink and float. I will show you the another way. Now take the clay and make a clay ball. And now drop it in the water. See, it sinks. Now take it out and make the boat shape. Now put the clay boat carefully in the water. See, my boat is floating. Now I had added the marble. Still it is floating. Boat floats because it displaces more water than ball. Similarly, the boat floats even it is made of iron. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share. Bye bye. See you in the next video.